Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're interested in finance or just want to learn more about the different investment options available to you, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of municipal bonds. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how cities fund their projects, like building schools, parks, or even highways? Well, that's where municipal bonds come in. So, what exactly is a municipal bond? Let's break it down. A municipal bond, often called a Muni bond, is a type of debt security issued by a state, municipality, or county to finance its capital expenditures. In simpler terms, when you buy a municipal bond, you're essentially lending money to a local government. In return, they promise to pay you back the principal amount plus interest over a specified period. Now, you might be wondering, why would a city or state borrow money in this way? The answer is straightforward. They need funds to pay for large projects that benefit the community. These can include building infrastructure like roads and bridges, funding schools, or improving public transportation. By issuing bonds, local governments can raise the necessary funds upfront and pay them back over time. Let's take an example. Imagine a city wants to build a new high school that costs $10 million. Instead of waiting years to collect enough tax revenue, the city can issue municipal bonds to raise that money immediately. They might issue bonds with a 5% interest rate and a 10-year maturity. Investors buy these bonds, lending the city the required funds, and in return, the city pays them interest annually. At the end of the 10 years, the city repays the bondholders their initial investment. There are mainly two types of municipal bonds: general obligation bonds and revenue bonds. General obligation bonds are backed by the full faith and credit of the issuing government, meaning they can raise taxes to pay bondholders if needed. On the other hand, revenue bonds are supported by the revenue generated from a specific project, such as tolls from a highway or fees from a water treatment facility. Let's look at some real-world examples. In 2021, California issued over $3 billion in municipal bonds to fund various projects, including education, transportation, and housing. This bond issuance allowed them to address multiple community needs simultaneously. Similarly, cities like New York and Chicago frequently issue municipal bonds to finance their large-scale infrastructure projects. Now that we understand what municipal bonds are, let's discuss why they might be an attractive investment option. One significant advantage is tax benefits. The interest earned on most municipal bonds is exempt from federal income tax, and in some cases, state and local taxes as well. This makes them particularly appealing to investors in higher tax brackets. However, like any investment, municipal bonds come with risks. The primary risk is credit risk, which refers to the possibility that the issuing government might default on its payments. While municipal bonds are generally considered safe, some municipalities have faced financial difficulties, leading to defaults. It's crucial to research the credit rating of the bonds you're considering. If you're interested in investing in municipal bonds, there are a few ways to do it. You can buy individual bonds through a brokerage account, or you can invest in municipal bond funds or exchange-traded funds that pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of municipal bonds. This can be a great way to spread out risk. So, to summarize, municipal bonds are debt securities issued by local governments to fund community projects, and they come with tax advantages that make them appealing to many investors. While they offer some level of risk, they can be a solid addition to a diversified investment portfolio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Also, if you have any questions about municipal bonds or want to share your experiences with them, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!